A Miracle, a Sicilian melody on page 3 of the Green Book. In this piece, you have a combination of quarter notes along with eighth notes that are slurred. So for the quarter notes, make sure you are using the entire length of the bow. And for the slurred eighth notes, you are using shorter bow length, just about this much toward the middle part of the bow. Also remember that dynamics are an important part of music. The first line, you have a forte, which is loud. The second line is piano, much, much quieter. Third line, energetic and go back to forte. And also remember our fourth finger A, the note A, which is fourth finger on the D string. Fourth finger, and then you play an open A, just to give it some differentiation and color for that note. So let's begin by placing our thumb on the neck of the violin. Make sure you have a hole underneath the neck, underneath your thumb, and fingers hovering over. I'm looking ahead to looking at my first bar, second bar, which is mostly on the combination of A and D strings. Here we go, I'm at the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down bow, up bow, down bow, up bow. Push the frog. Piano. Up bow, up. Retake your bow. Freeze, and then place your violin down in resting position.